Welcome to our quick guide on enabling auto sensitivity input in Discord. If you've ever had trouble with your mic picking up too little or too much sound, this setting can save the day by automatically adjusting your input sensitivity for clearer, more consistent voice chat. First, open Discord and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your account settings where all the customization happens. You'll notice a clean list of options focusing on your voice, video, and general preferences. Next, look for the settings icon and tap it to enter the main configuration area. You'll see a variety of categories, but we're aiming for something specific here. Scroll down until you find the voice section. This is where Discord manages all microphone related choices, so you're in the right place to fine-tune how your device sends sound. Within voice, locate the auto sensitivity toggle. This feature automatically adjusts how sensitive your microphone is to input, helping you maintain a steady volume without constant manual tweaks. Turn auto sensitivity on and Discord will start measuring your voice levels and set the threshold to keep you consistently audible while minimizing background noise. If you're curious about when to use it, auto sensitivity works best if you have a fairly stable speaking volume and you don't want to fuss with sliders every time you join a new call. It's especially handy for gaming sessions, online meetings, or any scenario where you want reliable voice transmission without mic fiddle.